In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage connections in Power Automate. Power Automate is a powerful tool that helps automate workflows and tasks across multiple apps and services. Before diving into creating your workflows, it's essential to establish the connections that will allow Power Automate to interact seamlessly with the services you intend to use. Now, let's begin the process step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is sign in to your Power Automate account. Head over to the Power Automate website and log in with your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you can create one easily by following the prompts on the site. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Power Automate dashboard. It's a central hub where you can access all the tools and features you'll need. Next, direct your attention to the left navigation pane of the dashboard. Here, you'll find various options such as My Flows, Templates, and Action Items. However, today, we're going to focus on the Data section to manage our connections. Click on Data, and from the options that appear, select Connections. This area is critical because it shows an overview of all your existing connections and provides you the interface to manage them seamlessly. Once you're on the Connections page, look toward the top of the page where you'll see a button labeled New Connection. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to a list of available services you can connect to. Power Automate supports a wide range of services, so you'll have plenty to choose from. Whether you need to link to SharePoint, Outlook, or any other service, this is where you make that happen. After clicking on New Connection, browse through the list of available connections. It's organized to help you find what you need quickly. Let's say you want to connect to SharePoint. Simply scroll through and select SharePoint from the list. Now, follow the prompts to authenticate this connection. Authentication is an essential step because it ensures that Power Automate has the permission it needs to access the data and perform actions on your behalf. You might be asked to enter your login credentials, or perhaps approve the connection via a pop-up if you're already logged into that service. Make sure to complete any configuration settings required. This might include specifying particular resources or permissions. And that's it. Once authenticated and configured, your connection will appear in the list on the Connections page, ready for use. You can now use this connection in your automated workflows. Remember, every time you establish a new connection, you're essentially giving Power Automate a key to interact with that service, so make sure to review your connections regularly to maintain security. By understanding how to manage connections in Power Automate, you open doors to creating more sophisticated and interconnected workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!